Hi guys! This video is going to be on a cylinder lock. Boring, I know. But there is a reason for it, so keep watching to find out why. Tech family, we have recently picked up a smart lock which I will review in a future video. But in order to prevent lockout, we have purchased an emergency function lock. So these locks are difficult to purchase in the usual retail stores but can be picked up via online retailers such as Amazon or eBay. Let me demonstrate to you the difference in the locks. So this is my old lock, which is a little bit greasy and grimy, but as you can see, where there is a key on one side, it's not possible to turn the lock on the other side, whereas this is the new lock. So this lock I picked up on Amazon. So let me open up the box. So this is the new lock, and I'm going to show you how the keys work, if I can actually get the keys in. Now, as you can see, there is a key on one side, and if I try to lock on the other side, as you can see, I'm turning it on both sides, it unlocks. So who could this benefit? Right, there may be times that you've come back from work or late at night and your partner has locked you out accidentally or probably purposefully, but you know, each to their own, by leaving the key in the door. The emergency function will prevent this from happening. Or you may have an elderly or a disabled relative, so the emergency lock will give you that peace of mind. For the Tech family, we picked this up because we have purchased, as I said at the beginning, a smart lock that permanently has a key on the inside of the door. So this allows us to manually override the system if the batteries go and we have forgotten to change them. So we will show you the smart lock in our next video. So if you've liked what you see, hit the like button, or better still, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.